Hello guys, what's up? In this video we are going to understand how you can use a use effect as a cleanup function in a React. Okay, so how you can basically mimic the component will unmount with the help of use effect. Component will unmount basically like something you are doing a cleanup stuff. Okay, so let's see how we can do this in a React JS. So I have created one small starter application using npx create React app. So I will just remove all the content and I will remove this one and I will just give some window size. Let's see. And I need we don't need this logo, and we need to import React from React, and we need two things: use state and use effect. Okay, so here we will be setting the Windows height. So use state, and we will be using window dot inner width. Okay, so let's just see what is the height of inner width. So this will be, let's see here. So we are getting 153 height. Okay, and this height will change if you basically resize the window. So it will not have happening right now. So suppose if I did this one, okay, and again I am reloading the page, you will see different windows height. So first we need to listen the resize event inside our use effect. So I have a use effect. So window dot add event listener. So here I will listen resize and I will pass a callback function. Okay. So this callback function basically will hit the size whenever we are changing the size of window. Okay. So const check size. So check size, and we need to set the size. The size will be window dot inner width. Okay. Now you can see first reload the page. I will reload. Okay, now change. So here what is happening, whenever I do a resizing, so use effect basically re-render the component. But if you look at the here, I'll put it down. Okay, so if you tick at the event listener and if you see the resize, so you can see we have called a that event listener resize quite of time whenever I am resizing. So this will be a huge issue when we have a bigger application. So it will cause a memory issue because we are calling the function again and again, because this use effect is uh, is calling this callback function again and again whenever I am doing the resize of window. So this could be a huge problem for the bigger application. So you can write a cleanup function whenever user stop resizing the window. So it will basically remove this event listener. So you can write this cleanup function inside the use effect. So that is also called a component will unmount in a case of class based component. Since we are using the function based component, so we will unsubscribe that event listener inside the use effect. So let's see how we can do this. So you can write a return. So I will console log. So this is a cleanup function. Okay, and window dot remove event listener. So we will remove this resize, and I will put one more console here. So now just reload the page and you can see the console. So the use effect run, and whenever we are resizing, a function is executed. After that, use effect is running again. So this is the way we can basically solve that issue. So if you go back to that element, and if you go back to that in a event listener, you will see always we will get only one function here. So no matter how many times you resize, it will be always one. So means with the help of this cleanup function, we have resolved that memory issue. So whenever we do resize, every time the cleanup function will execute, then use effect will run. So this is the demonstration of use effect or cleanup as a cleanup function in a React.js. So I hope you understand the concept of cleanup function with the help of use effect. So if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you like the content, then please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.